show is on too early.
Yeah,
I'm like not ready. I don't know if you noticed at home, but there was a little
No, I didn't notice in your
delay.
first forecast, but I do notice when you sprint behind the prompters in between.
Not enough time in this morning.
All right, well, we
enough.
had a couple nice shots this morning, and you know what? A few, I think Aaron was in earlier this week, and he pulled up a shot, and you couldn't see anything. He's like,
Right.
this is not,
No,
you
you don't
know,
want
fingerprint
that.
smudge. This is, at least we can see today.
You can see that,
Yeah.
I mean, it's been a nice little, 48 hours.
Yeah.
And going and counting. There you go, looking across the Fore River there, Casco Bay off in the distance. Going to be a nice sunrise with some great color on the horizon. Clouds will be working in this morning, though, and it won't be as bright or as hot as it was yesterday. High temperature did reach 90 degrees in a few towns. Only about 3 of them in Rochester, New Hampshire was 1, hit 92. Portland, 90, still elusive. 89 was the high. That's what I was figuring. Sanford, 88, Augusta, 88, Bangor, 88, and Lewiston's high yesterday, 87. Kind of nice, though. I liked it. I know it's not sticking around too long at all. Not a drop out there. That's good to see. Little bit of fog forming this morning, but it'll burn off pretty quickly. Bangor has some light fog in the Penobscot River Valley up through Millinocket. Caribou, a half mile, and same over in Berlin, New Hampshire, and Coos County. Temperatures are in the 60s right now, both Bangor and Portland at 67 and Augusta is 68. So it's pretty warm out there. The house is stuffy if you don't have air conditioning, obviously. And the humidity is pretty high, but it's about to get higher. Tropical air bubbling up the eastern seaboard, interacting with this incoming front. You guessed it. That means more showers and storms will be developing. Let's get to a timeline so you can see how it went. Clear early with high clouds filtering sunshine early this morning. There's some patchy fog, but no big commuting concerns at all. Midday, some hazy sun, an isolated mountain shower, warm, sticky. Most temperatures will be up around 80. That's way too cool. That's not going to be the case in Rockland. It'll be more like 75 today. Same in Bar Harbor. Then this afternoon, this is 5 o'clock, lots of clouds around. We're going to have a muggy breeze off the water, so temperatures will back off a little bit near the water. And there'll be a few mountain downpours, but I'm more watching and more concerned about an incoming line of thunderstorms, which will be pretty fierce off to our west. As it enters New Hampshire, should still remain strong, and then Maine will start to fall apart. So I don't think we'll get too much in the way of severe weather, but there could be some downpours or some flashes of light well after dark tonight. High temperatures are going to reach the mid-80s from Bangor to Calais up to Millinocket. This will be the hot spot in the state today. And then it's a little less hot as you go south and west into the cloud cover and the onshore breeze. 78 for Portland today, 82 in Lewiston. Tomorrow, that tropical air is with us. Showers and storms are likely. The good news is the front will clear us Saturday by the middle of the day. In the afternoon, it looks like the best part of the weekend. Probably get a little sunshine peeking in with a high around 80, but the pattern again devolves with that air mass sticking around. Another area of low pressure squeezing out showers and thunderstorms on Sunday, and they'll linger into at least Monday morning. But the middle part of next week is showing promise, and it looks a little better from, say, Tuesday on. Marine forecast 1 to 3 footers southeast wind. Here's the 7-day, partly sunny today. Just an isolated shower chance in the afternoon, highs around 80. Downpour and shower risk tomorrow. And then on Saturday morning, still seeing some showers. The afternoon, much better, though, partly sunny around 80. Sunday, there could be a shower or a downpour at any point during the day. They're likely Monday morning, and then it does turn a little better here for Tuesday, Wednesday, and the second half of next week. With temperatures rising back up into the 80s, it'll still remain humid, but the chances for rain, a lot of it, will be pretty small.
It's kind of like this week.
A lot like this week. Exactly.
Like stringing together almost 3 good days here.
Yeah, and that's been, that seems to be the theme. Like,
if
we're not
just
perfect.
Keep adding.
Correct.
We'll
Let's keep
there.
adding.
By September, we'll have a great week. Yeah.
Everyone's back to school and vacations are over, right?
All right, thanks, Todd.
Yeah.